Hello, welcome back to my channel. So I just got a phone call from my best friend, GenEvo9, and he's borrowing my torque wrench. So let's go to his place. I'm just gonna change and then I'm gonna vlog, take some shots, videos of his Evo 9. That's his project car. So come on, let's go there. Okay guys, so we're on our way to my friend's house. Borrow my torque wrench. Alright, his YouTube channel is GenEvo9. So his build is a Evo 9 SE. So it's a nice car. So I'm going there. I insisted to drop it off. I drop off the torque wrench so that I can take a video of his vehicle. So check his channel out, subscribe on him. So he got a lot of subscribers already, like 10k plus. So we're gonna go there. Yep. Okay, I'll be right back. Let me just cut this one off. Okay, so we're almost there. So come on. It's a rainy day right now. Washington State. So always rain. So I use my car right now, even it's raining, so that I can test the side molding that I installed. If they're gonna hold, they're gonna be in place in there, or if they're just gonna fly off. There's a lot of deers in this area. So I saw on some of his video, there's some deers in his backyard or in his yard. So need to be careful. I think this is his house. Yep. Go here. Salamat! Man.
Still crying. Okay.
Sige.
You're making me want to get a PHR.
Yeah, right. You got Toms. I got. Well, if it doesn't fail, they're on.
Shit. Dude, you guys need a PHR. That's the guy. The guy you want to talk to.
See, I have everything in there.
Shit. Guys. You guys a man here, PHR. Alright, brother.
Alright.
Ingat.
Thank you. Salamat.
Salamat.
Okay, guys. So you won't believe this. My friend Genesis gave me my dream wheels. He messaged me just to go there in his place, pretending that he's borrowing my torque wrench, but he ended up giving me a brand new set of the Lights 57DR that I've been wanting for years. I'm so blessed to have him as a friend. Maraming salamat. They're nice. I'm just holding my tears. Very happy. Wanna hug him, but I can't because of the COVID. But yeah. So, Genesis, thank you, bro. You're blessed, and I'm blessed. cheaper, lower end brand of wheels. But he gave me my dream wheels. All right. Again, follow his channel, GenEvo9. I'll put the link in the description below or somewhere in the screen. Yep, GenEvo9. You're the best, bro. Okay, so they're about to change my wheels. Thank you, GenEvo, for doing this for me, bro. Love you. Okay, so I just got my wheels done. Discount Tire allowed me to take some videos on it. So while they're installing the new tires, thank you Genesis, GenEvo9, for making this happen, bro. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I'll take some good shots once I got home. It's raining right now, so I'll try. I'll try to park it in the driveway before pulling into the garage to take some shots. But yep, I really appreciate it. I won't forget what you've done, bro. Thank you. So my old tires are in the back. Flatten the rest of the boxes. One box is in here. I still can't believe it. Unbelievable. So really happy. So I'm about to go home now. Just a few more corners. I'm gonna be in the house. So yep. Again, I'm really speechless on this one. Maraming salamat, bro. So please subscribe on my channel, Forge Garage. Subscribe on my best friend's channel, GenEvo9. Again, I'm still gonna have that giveaway, 500 subscriber giveaway. Yep. So please subscribe, follow me on IG. Yep, that's all. Thank you for watching. Peace out.